Nag-service maintenance tayo ng rear brake pads. Yan, service mode. Ford Expedition. Bagong bago. Limited Ford Expedition mga idol. EL. Ford Expedition. Yan. Yan o, naka-lay nga natin ang scatter yan. Naka-service mode siya. Ayan o, brake maintenance service mode.
Ship yung ano nun. Shifter.
Hindi mag-ship yun, lobat eh.
Hindi naman siya totally lobat eh.
Ha? Sige, tinano mo lang. Paano natin yan, maayos din natin yan. Magtiwala ka lang. Yan mga boss. Service mode. Service maintenance sa brake, rear brake, Ford Expedition 2023 model. Ay makita nyo yung logo, ang ganda oh. Yan yung scanner natin. Naka-service mode siya. Pag napalitan ng brake pad, saka natin siya ibabalik siya dati. Yan yung bagong brake pads. Sakto.
Swati.
Ito mga boss yung rear brake pads nya. Ito yung papalitan. So may motor kasi to, electronic parking brake yung tawag dito sa motor na to. So kailangan natin i-service mode yan para malambot itulak yung caliper piston. Ito, para malambot itulak pa loob, para may lagay natin yung bagong brake pads. So minsan kasi kapag hindi naka-service mode yan, pwedeng masira yung motor or yung pinakang electronic parking brake nya. Napakamahal po nito kapag nasira. So kailangan natin i-service mode muna para malambot to i-press. Sige. Yan, naka-service mode na to mga boss. Kaya ipe-press na lang pabalik. Medyo malambot na yan. Ring. Yan. Yan lang po yung pag-press sa pag naka-service mode, malambot lang yan. Pero kapag hindi siya naka-service mode, ang tigas niyan, pwedeng masira yung gear ng motor ng EPB, electronic parking brake. So kailangan mga boss, naka-service mode siya para matulak ng maayos yung piston. So konti na lang. Yan. Yan. Yan na. Agad na. Yan. Dapat pantay na pantay ito. Huge na. Tapos after nyan, i-deactivate natin yung service mode maintenance para bumalik na, tumulak na siya ng kusa. Yan yung bagong brake pads nya. Sobrang kapal. Tignan natin. Yun. Smooth. Smooth lang mga boss. Palitan na stabling to. Ito na lang kulang. Yan mga idol, okay na, nakabit na. Harap likod. Di-deactivate na natin yung service mode nya. Yan, bago na rin yung brake pads. So di-deactivate na natin siya. ito kung makikita nyo, ito na ako na turn up ko na yung ignition. Ito na yung deactivation number 2. When the brake system is maintenance mode, the brake system performance will be permanently reduced. Thus, when the rear brake pads replacement or other maintenance on the rear brake components are completed, the APB maintenance mode must be deactivate or exit. Ito na yung procedure, mga idol. Turn the ignition on. Depress and hold accelerator pedal and keep the APB switch upward within 5 seconds. Continue to hold accelerator pedal and pull up the APB switch until the APB system completely apply and release the parking brake to ensure that there is sufficient air gap between the rear brake pads and the disc brake disc. Release the accelerator pedal and APB switch. When the brake system mode is deactivated, the yellow parking brake warning lamp will be turned up and brake maintenance mode will be not be shown on the message center anymore. Okay, dito na tayo, deactive na tayo. Turn ignition on. Ito mga boss, park brake maintenance, part brake maintenance mode. So tapos na natin palitan ng ano yan, tapos na natin depress and hold the brake pedal ay the accelerator pedal and APB switch upward and on, off within 5 seconds. Continue hold accelerator pedal and pull up the APB until successful. Yun, nawala na yung blinking ng APB, mga idol. Ensure that there is a sufficient air gap between the rear brake pads and the brake disc. Release the accelerator pedal and APB switch. When the brake maintenance mode is deactive, the yellow parking brake warning lamp will be turned up and brake maintenance mode will be shown anymore. Umurong na, Ben. Teka lang, ha. I-testingin natin. Gumalaw? Hindi, naka-brake yan. O, i-release ko. Yan. Yan na. Yan na mga boss. Yan, brake natin, handbrake, yan, EPB. Yung EPB nya full on. Release natin, mawawala yung red na yon. Yan, goods na. Yan, maraming salamat po sa patuloy subscribe na nanonood ng ating video. Itong unit Ford Expedition 2023 model, brake maintenance mode on the rear brake pads. Maraming salamat. God bless.